Hey guys, Xiao here. Today, I'm not doing so good, so I'm gonna sing Washing Machine Heart, Mitski. Basically, I'll explain at the end of the video, like I always do. Toss your dirty shoes in my washing machine hot. Baby, bang it up inside. I'm not wearing my usual lipstick. I thought maybe we could kiss tonight. Baby, will you kiss me already? And toss your dirty shoes in my washing machine hot. Baby, bang it up inside. Baby, though I close my eyes, I know who you pretend I am. I know who you pretend I am. Oh, me, T-Y, not me. Why not me? Don't me, T-Y, not me. Why not me? Don't me, T-Y, not me. Why not me? Anyway, this song, it reminds me the time that just happened 2 minutes ago. Basically, I was getting all ready to, make an upbeat video. I had gotten over the party thing. And then Xiao came in and he said that he found my YouTube channel and started making fun of me, saying that my dreams are worthless. Well, he always does this, but today it just hit different. I don't like Child. Don't like what he does to Zhongli. Zhongli always listens to Child over me. What did I do that deserved this? Child sucks. And I don't. What even? Zhongli only cares about now is Child and Osmanthus wine. What happened to Xiao? And I know why he doesn't love me. It's because I'm worthless. Still hurts that no matter how much I look up to him, he'll never love me. Sorry for this downer of a video. I just need to vent. Honestly, after getting that off my chest, I feel a little bit better. I'll be more upbeat in the next video, I promise. Anyway, I gotta go.